So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Joker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can set reminder on your Mac. So first of all, press Command plus Spacebar key on your keyboard. And this will open Spotlight Search. Now here type reminder and press return key to open it. Now to set the reminder, click on this plus icon. Now click on this eye. Now type the name, for example, shopping. Now let's set date and time. For this, turn on this toggle next to date. Now let's set the date for 28 Feb. Now let's set time. For this, turn on this toggle. Now let's set the time for 4 p.m. If you want the reminder to repeat, click on this menu and now you can select the repeat frequency. For example, daily, weekdays or weekends. Now once done, click anywhere and this will set the reminder. So this way I can set reminder on your Mac. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.